Get ready with me. If you can hear my dogs barking, I apologize. I just got back from the gym with my sister and she freaking killed me. I was walking back to the car and my whole body was shaking and it's still shaking. I'm just concealing any red spots. Oh shit. And then I'm blending it out with this thing. And I put some on my eyes to cover up those dark circles. Now that school's over, I've just been sleeping in every day. Just took my Charlotte Tilbury contour wand and put it there. It feels so weird. I'm gonna be 19 in... What day is it today? Wait. I had to check my calendar, but 8 days. And that means I'm gonna be legal soon. Also, I've just been adding this Marc Jacobs bronzer. And now some blush. I like putting it into like my, what is this called? Whatever that's called. It's not the movie. And my nose. Highlighter time. Oh shit, that's a lot. To be honest, I don't wear that much makeup, but I'm not one of those girls where like, I don't wear makeup. Because I don't know how to do makeup. Like, if I knew how to do cool eyelid makeup, then I would, but I don't. I highlight those areas of my face. And I like blending it with my fingers. I look so pale, I need a tan. I need to go to Italy. You don't know how bad I want to go to Italy. I can't speak. We're planning to go, but it's not for sure. Oh damn, we're real zoomed in, but I'm putting this little pink eyeshadow in the corner of my eye. Like that. I think this is like my favorite makeup trick. I'm feeling like a little wing today, so I just took brown eyeshadow and I'm gonna do a little wing. It's really small and cute like that. I almost forgot about my brows, but I need to get them done, so don't look. Okay, done. That one hair is making me so mad. And then lastly, lashes. I'm just using this Buxom one, but I can't talk. I also use this on my lips. And this is the final look. Bye guys.